All right, we're going to build linear inequalities today. And when we build these linear inequalities, we're going to be making one statement that has two variables in it. Okay? So a catering company has small tables and large tables. Small tables seat 4 people and large tables seat 6. They are planning a party for at least 100 guests. How many of each size table can they use? So the first thing that we know is I'm gonna go ahead and say, let's say S is for the small tables. Okay, and then what we're gonna have is we're gonna have L. Let's go ahead and use L for the large tables. And this goes back to building systems of linear equations, in the sense that we'll be doing some multiplication between the number of tables and the number of people. So for example, if we have 4 people on one table, we have 4 people. If we have 4 people on 4 people for two tables, we're going to have a total of 8 people. If we have 3 tables with 4 people at them, we're going to have a total of 12 people. So remember, we're going to be multiplying the number of people times the tables. So in this statement, it says 4 people are for the small tables. So I'm going to just simply say, well, I have 4 people times every small table that is available. Plus, we have the large tables that sit 6 people. So we're going to add the 6 people that can sit at each one of the large tables. Now, this is where the linear inequality comes, because it gives us some information here. It says they are planning a party for at least 100 guests. Well, this at least tells us that the least amount, smallest amount, is equal to 100 or more people. Okay, so the smallest amount of people can be 100, or we can have more people than that. So when we set up this inequality, we're going to say these are going to be the number of people at the small table. Okay, these are going to be the number of people at large tables. Okay, but what we know is that the number of people that are at the small tables and the large tables can be equal to 100, or they can be more when we combine the people at small tables and at large tables.